Happy Index Friday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Well, my leg is at 75% better, so that's a wonderful thing. I don't know how I pulled that muscle, but yeah, it hurt. So we're going to do things a little bit differently today, and it's because of time. I found out last night Jenna needs her dress Saturday. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't have a makeup. I went and got my hair done this morning. And so, yeah, time crunch for sure. So we're doing an index card, but it's going to be pretty quick. So I apologize for that, but hope you enjoy. You remember when Roseanne sent this really, really cute envelope with the tag inside? I think it goes like this. This would be cute like that, where it opens up. You could glue this to a page. Let's say, for instance, let's just use this. So if this fit on your page and you glued this down, you could put a pocket over this, or you could glue it between two pieces of paper, whatever. This would be up this way. This could fold down like that, and then you've got your pocket there. So cute. Or easily could go on a page. Let's do this side. Come on, Charlotte, think. Got too much on my mind. Could go this way, where this opens up. You've got your pocket. Or this could go inside its pocket, however you wanted it to go, if you just wanted to leave it freestyle. So I thought these were adorable, and thought the make would be really cute. I don't have an envelope that size, but I've got this envelope. And because Roseanne had created this upside down, I want to create this upside down as well. Fairly easy make for those of you that like super simple. I try to make this so that one week we might have something with a lot of steps. Last week's it wasn't bad, but I know the week before when we did the book that opens up, I think it was Julie's One Page Wonder, Julie's design from Camellia's Crafts. I know from the comments that some of you thought too many steps and complicated. So because of the time crunch I'm in, and I was afraid I wouldn't have any video for today, so here we go. I'm not sure how Roseanne did this. I did feel down here and know that pretty sure this is 2 inches wide. Pretty sure this is more than 2 inches. It does not go all the way to the bottom. So what I did is I cut a strip 2 inches and I cut a strip 3. So I am going to glue this. She is higher, so we're going to go about right there. And I can see already I'm going to have to cut just a tiny bit off. So there's my envelope. I just measured the width of the envelope and then by 3. And of course, I don't have any glue coming out. I mean, why would I be surprised at that? I didn't leave it open. Okay, we need a pen. Things just shouldn't be this complicated. Okay, rarely do I get a clog in this. It's very rare. I think I can feel one though, so. Okay. So we're going to come down like this. And I am going to put a bottom on this. Sometimes I don't, but I'll tell you, and I'm going to come in just a tiny bit because I know we're going to hang over. If I don't glue the bottom, sometimes what happens is when you put something in there, it can get lost. It can fall all the way to the bottom and you lose it. You don't even know it's there. So I think it's a good idea to do that, because once you put this piece on, if you had a false bottom, whatever you put in here, unless it was large, could fall all the way to the bottom, come below this line, and you don't even know anything's there. So you can see I did take a divot. I did not distress this, but you could. Now Roseanne did round the edges. No point in rounding these edges because you're not going to see them. So, and we do want a bottom to this tag or it's going to fall out, right? So super simple, but really, really cute. And look at what we've got. Now, when I took the divot out of here, I just put this piece on top of that piece and took the divot. So I wanted them to be the same. Probably, this would have been a good idea to go ahead and distress because you really can't tell. But once you fill this up with ephemera, it isn't going to matter, is it? It's going to be fine. Now we're going to cut this off, being very careful not to cut into the envelope. Okay. So we have this piece, and I mean, this is cute. I might come back and distress. As a matter of fact, I think it's going to look much better if it's distressed. And yeah, I've made it harder for myself because I didn't do that. But this is a fairly simple project. So I think we've got the time. And I know you're probably wondering, where's the index card? Well, I'll show it to you. You probably, if you think about it, you probably can guess where the index card is. I did not pull any ephemera for this, but I plan on making at least 3, maybe 4 more of these for the giveaway. So then when you see them next week, they will be stuffed with ephemera. Cute, cute. So now in order to get this, what I'm going to have to do is let's take a piece of paper here. Best way that I know to do this, and then you can really just kind of catch the edge like that, and then move your paper down. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing well. I'm fine. I just was in some kind of pain. If you've ever pulled a muscle, then you know it hurt. And I didn't sleep last night at all. Just trying to move was really rough. And I was afraid going to the hairdresser. How am I going to get in and out of that chair? But I did. I mean, I had to. The person I go to lives up in Pine Top in the mountains, and she's only down here a week a month. So I would have had to go a full week if I canceled my appointment. So that was not an option for me. Okay, so did I even get that? You would think I did. I think so. Let's do a little bit more. I think against the white, oh, it's pretty, isn't it? And then you can add any embellishments. Roseanne had a pumpkin, and I think this might be washi tape. Not sure. And because I need to start working on the dress, I'm not going to embellish this today, but I will embellish this week. So next week y'all will see this. And I think this would be really, really pretty too if this envelope was coffee dyed. And then of course, you need to go all the way around here. If you're gonna hide this, you don't need to do this. And I'm not gonna worry about that, but you can see there's your index card. So I took one of my large index cards and took some, this is the paper that we use for Roseanne's envelope yesterday, and there's your index card. So a very sweet piece of happy mail. I mean, who wouldn't want to get this? You can write a note on here or leave it for somebody else to write a note, but I think it's a cute way to write a note and then just stuff this with all sorts of things that someone can use. So that is my idea, my take for Roseanne's sweetness here. Absolutely love this. I think this might be, yes, this opens up. So just to give you an idea, and then there's a ticket. Cute, cute paper. And then this one back here, isn't that pretty? Love that fall, Halloween, and it could be fall, doesn't have to be. There's nothing here that screams Halloween except that it's in black, but isn't that pretty? Really, really pretty with the black and white. And then obviously no index card back here, but a tag, and you always could put an index card back there. So guys, this is the make for today. Super, super simple. And I think just fun to give to anyone. If maybe you don't like to hand out Happy Mail, or there's a reason that you don't do Happy Mail. If you do gift cards for people, this would be cute with a note, a gift card, maybe put a book of stamps in here or something that you know someone could use. Like maybe they're an older person and they don't do crafts, but books of stamps. My mother-in-law used to give books of stamps, and we loved that because everybody uses stamps. At some point in time, you're going to reach for a stamp. And so it's a nice gift, and obviously, you know, they're not inexpensive. So just kind of when you're looking at things, if you have someone like that special in your life, keep this in mind because it's a great idea. You can see here, this was, we were going to do another, we were going to do it from the beginning to the end, but I just am, I'm beyond myself right now. I'm tired, and so definitely wanted to give you a project to do. I think this is adorable, and I hope you'll give it a try. And then we're getting down to the bottom here. I think in October we can begin again, probably more than that, depending upon how many makes I have. And don't go anywhere when we pick winners for this, because there's 2 from last week I'm gonna go ahead and give out because I don't want these things piling up on the side, and if I don't get addresses, I can't send them out. So remember when we did these really cute envelopes, and inside they had, remember this? They had the index card. I know this week is a little bit like this, but just cute. So let's give this first one here, and I think you could write on this, an address on this with a black permanent marker or a white permanent marker. I don't think it would be too dark to take an address. So good luck, everyone. How about Margaret Fisher? All right, sweetheart. I am going to be sending this to you. And as far as the mail, everything is out except for Vicki Jensen. Vicki Jensen, you're the only one that I haven't sent out, and it should go out tomorrow. So don't worry, and I'm going to try to get these out tomorrow as well, so that next week I can just start with a clean slate. Cute. This has the acetate butterfly. This was the back side. Love that. Remember, this one has the dress forms, and there is this index card. So cute, guys. They're just cute. Easy makes, something you can just sit and do plenty of. Okay, little birdie. Little birdie. Okay, I take it back. You won last week's, and I think the reason I put you back in was to get your attention. So you have 2 index card wins, and I need for you to, if I don't have your address by next week, because obviously you're commenting, I'm gonna draw a name. Okay, so I'm gonna hold off on this one and giving away this one because both of these are yours, and I need for you to just go into my Etsy shop and just leave me a message with your address. It would be great. Okay, then we have this one here. Cute spring paper. And you remember, oh, just a really pretty card inside. So we are going to go with Vicki Jensen. Okay, well, I'm glad I picked you because I can put this with your other one. So that is wonderful, your envelope that you won for contributing to the monthly giveaway. So I will put this with your other one. That's going to save me postage. And then we had this really pretty one here. Love this paper. Many of these papers are single that I got from Dana. And then we had this. Isn't that so pretty? This is perfect for fall. This would make a lovely card. Also wanted to wish Lori Gordon a happy birthday. She is a September baby. So happy birthday to you, Lori. And Diane Rosales, this one, sweetheart, is yours. I'm happy to mail that on. And now we are going to give away Never Heard from this one. So I am going to toss that, and we're going to pick a winner for this one. How about, okay, okay, this is, I'm pretty sure Terry Clark. TLC Creations, I think, is Terry Clark, and I do have Terry's address. So that makes me very happy. Now, this one begins with user, and user, you comment all the time, and I put in one of my answers, please let me know your address. So if by next week I don't hear from you, and it's okay because not everybody wants something. I get that. You know, I've had people before that say, pass it on, just pass it on to somebody else, which is a kind thing to do. You have until next Friday, please, to let me have your address, because I mean, you won this, and I really would love for you to have your winnings. So there's 2, 4, there's 6. So I'm going to see if I can make 5 more of these. And so next week, we'll give everything that's in there out, unless there's new subscribers this week coming on this index card page. So guys, I'm sorry this is short and sweet. I hope you don't mind. It's just I got hit this week. And I just have to, I mean, my granddaughter's dress is important, and literally what I'm doing is having to take the sides in, and the dress has pockets, and so it complicates it, and it just takes me longer. And my daughter-in-law told me I had until September 24th, and then Jenna called me last night and said, Grandma, if it's okay, I wanted to wear that dress to homecoming this Saturday. And I'm like, no problem, Jenna, I'll get it done. Of course, I'm gonna get it done. So that's got to take precedent. That's what I'm going to be doing. As soon as I shut the camera off, I'm going to be taking the pocket out of that and cutting the seam open, and we'll see what we can do between this afternoon, because it's already after 4 o'clock here, and tomorrow. So guys, have a wonderful weekend. Know I care about you. Hugs to everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.